When I was younger, I've always wanted a big room full of arcade machines, but now that I'm older and with the limited space that I have, it's something that just cannot be done. However, thanks to some geniuses who managed to make this awesome looking two-player arcade console, I can now actually play tons of old school games without needing to have all of those machines. This little Pandora Box console contains 29,800 games. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and then I'll share with you my thoughts. First of all, the packaging is actually quite nice. The first thing I saw are these extra buttons, and then we also get a bunch of cables such as HDMI, VGA, and USB-C to make this game console work. Moving on, we have the joysticks, which we'll install for now to get a feel for it. And finally, I'll take the game console out and we have several ports here, including an on-off button, HDMI port, USB, USB-C, a TF card is also included, and there's a volume knob. There is a switch to toggle between controller and arcade, and I tried plugging in a PS4 controller into it, but it didn't work. Not sure if I was doing something wrong, but obviously some of the games on the PS1 requires more than the 6 buttons on the arcade console itself, so it would make sense to include this USB port to connect a controller. I just can't figure out how to make it work. So moving on, there are so many consoles to choose from. I've never heard of some of these consoles before, but I love that it is all organized. I would suggest the manufacturer to label the buttons because it took me a while to figure out which button did what. And once I figured that out, it was all smooth from there. My kids and I absolutely enjoyed playing on this thing in front of our big screen TV. There's just something about arcade style consoles that brings kids together, and that's why I love it so much. A good thing to note is that if you are playing this on a modern TV that has many features to enhance the visuals, make sure you turn it off, otherwise you may experience a lag. That's because the TV may take a half a second to process the image. Other than that, this arcade console is pretty good for home entertainment. I love the fact that I have access to all my favorite retro games on one system, and the joysticks feel clicky and it's very satisfying to use. The buttons are also very clicky as well. All in all, it's a pretty good hardware for everyone, including kids and adults.